Where to put the Biosand filter? The filter should be away from direct sunlight. Rain, animals, and children. Place it on flat, level ground or flooring. Locate it in or near the kitchen, where it will be sheltered, easy to use, and clean. If it's impossible to keep the Biosand filter inside, then keep it protected under a roof at the side of the house. A Biosand filter full of sand, gravel, and water is very heavy and should never be moved. Doing so may move the sand and cause it to stop working. Now you know where you should put the Biosand filter.